an artsy chair. To be coordinated, pick a chair in the same color palette as the rest of your room. But chairs can also be focal points, or they can unify a room by pairing it with an urn or a large vase or another interesting accessory. That way, you can help guests make sense of your design agenda. Display artwork. Find a really cool statue and put it in your living room or maybe your entryway, such as maybe something that shows a little bit of human anatomy that really draws as a focal point, like this one right here. Or you can go with something that never fails, like hand-painted art or photographs. Or how about an artsy bookend? Illuminate with unique table lamps. Try placing lamps in positions for ambient lighting, which can be in a side table by the corner. Invest in a comfy mattress and a fashionable bed. If you have a small room, you can still get a huge bed. Just make sure that the bed is open and airy and that the top is no less than 6 inches from the ceiling. If you want impact, go for a dark wall behind you, but if you want something light and opening, go for a white wall. And that was my 8 tips for you on how to update your interior design and make your home stand out. Will you be using a tip or two from this list? Don't worry, if you need any help on your interior design journey, one of our designers is always here to help you. We offer complimentary interior design services with your purchase.